You guys are pretty good at that. Can I borrow your camera? Thanks. Can you guys see up on the screens? All right, can you see yourselves? Let's see. Okay, you guys are in the light. Can you light these guys up too? Yeah, that guy. That light right there would probably have to go there. Yeah, okay, that's pretty good. That's what you guys look like. This is what beautiful people from Amsterdam look like. Or the surrounding tri-state area, as they say in the States. Okay. I don't know, can I reach over there? Can I keep going? Yeah? Oh, shit. I don't want to leave you guys out, because you might be better looking than that group, I don't know. Okay, you see yourselves? Am I doing a shit job at this? Yeah, okay. Alright, so let's try the oh hell no part. I'll start you out, and then we'll try, let's see if this is where the love is tonight. I've been yes, and I've been oh hell no! Wow, that was okay, I guess. Maybe this is where it's at tonight. Don't you feel bad now? Do you want to try again? Why are you trying to take my camera, bro? I've been yes and I've been oh hell no! See, that's what I'm talking about. Middle. Can you see yourselves? All right. Show everybody else that this is where it's at.